And we're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we're going to do the CJRB kicker with the Recoil-lock. We have 3 of the 4 options here. We don't have the gray-blue. Let's tell you a little bit about the kicker first. It's a folding knife that is 8.25 inch overall. Give you a little close-up of it here. The blade length is 3.5 inches. Cutting edge is equally the same. Blades D2. Clip point. Almost a reverse Tonto. With a flat grind. Stone wash finish. Plain edge. Comes in at about 58, 59 on the Rockwell scale. Handle length is 4 3/4. Reversible tip-up carry. This is considered a manual flipper. The handle material is G10. And the blade thickness comes in at about 0.13. Alright, so first off, the recoil lock. It's very similar to other locks like the Axis, LR, XR, Pivot, you name it. Except it's a little bit different because it resides up on top. Very similar to Spyderco's compression lock, the area that it's in, but works differently. You can use it one-handed, like that, or you can do it with both fingers, if I get a hold of it, and pull it back like that. There is a stop to keep you from, obviously, cutting yourself, which is kind of nice, but I also like the free-fallingness of it too, so very smooth. Comes in green G10, black G10, carbon fiber, and the blue-gray G10. Pocket clip is stainless. It does have a G10 back spacer. The frame is stainless steel. Weighs about 4.5 ounces. This is the newest knife from CJRB or Artisan. This is their lower brand, or entry-level brand as we would call it. It's been very popular so far. It is relatively inexpensive for today's D2 knives. You can get each one of these for under, I believe the carbon fiber is $41. And then the G10s are 38, I think. Maybe 39, could be 38.94, 38.84, something like that. But a decent price for a knife of this quality, which is probably why we're selling so many. If you are an Axis lock, Pivot lock, XR lock, LR lock, I can't remember what else they're called, but fan, this would be another one to add to your collection. Has a nice pivot cap. We like that. I believe it's brass. They didn't say, but I'm assuming that it's brass. Let's go ahead and show you how it performs cutting. Since it's D2, it's going to cut smoothly, quickly, and cleanly. It always does. We'll give it one more try here. That was my fault. If you heard that, you heard me cut it twice. There we go. We'll bring up some cardboard. Should do well. We've got a little tape on this, so we want to avoid that. Not because I can't cut tape, because we don't want tape residue on our knife today. As you can see, cuts cleanly through the cardboard, except for that little piece. There we go. It'll do well at spear cutting, obviously, since it has that type of tip, as you can see there. You have good control over the knife, so you can cut as closely and as smoothly as you want together. I really like this knife, as do most people. I think I'll have to get one of these to add to my collection. So on that note, this is the CJRB kicker with recoil lock. Give you a close-up here. For those of you watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. You won't be disappointed. We do reviews, giveaways, weekly show. That's my personal favorite. I'm kind of biased because I have to do it. If you're watching on YouTube, we do giveaways there too. We have thousands of videos uploaded. You can be one of the 3,700 people that follow our channel. That could be 3,800 by now. Could be 10,000. Who knows? On that note, this is the CJRB kicker with recoil lock. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.